is our customer asked us to do a design and application where we can apply sealant on the inside of the diff, because what they do on the differential is they put a shaft on the inside and then they weld it, but sometimes the seal of the welding doesn't make complete seal, so they want to apply a sealant on the inside that can apply a complete seal to the product. Basically what it does is we will load this nozzle into the inside, and then that nozzle will rotate as shown in the other video, and then apply the sealant on the inside of the differential. So how it works is that we use a Festo servo motor, and that we can adjust the speed with a dope bag pump unit, and then that pumps the sealant through these set of pipes, and then it sends it towards the nozzle. The Festo unit then will control the speed of how quickly this nozzle rotates, and then we can set with this nozzle applicator that the dope bag has provided the speed of how fast the sealant comes out, and then give a smooth and consistent bead.